morning, Philippines!
Hey, get out over there, little boy. Psst. Hey, get out. Hey, get out, get out, get out, get out. Good morning sa inyong lahat dyan. So, ngayon guys, puntahan natin si Mr. Yes, maaga. Maaga po ako. It's 7:36. Alis ako dito 8. Tingnan nyo, nosy talaga. Itong si Misty din, parang ano din ito. Pusa, nosy balasi. Sumakit ulo ko, mata ko, dahil sa cellphone ng cellphone at laptop ng laptop. Iwan ko na lang, hindi pa ako nakapag-check up. Gusto kong magpa-check up sa doktor, sa eye doctor. Kasi yung eye natin is na ma-eyeball, simba ko eh. Kuya, rabag mawad ang tagmata. Sige guys, kita-kits tayo. Tinawagan ko na si Mr. tumawag. May mga kaunting discussion muna bago ako umalis. Na ano ako, napikon. May mga discussion lang na mga nagaganap. Alam nyo, hindi ako makagit over kahapon. Yung old lady ba, na Mexican. Hindi ako makagit over sa mga sinasabi niya. Hindi ako makagit over dahil nga, di ba, gustong-gusto ko yung ano, andin nilagay ko. So, naniwala naman kami kasi alam nyo na, dapat maniwala sa mga matatanda, mga kasabihan. Lalo na talagang hindi namin siya kilala. Pinuntahan lang kami. Ano ako ba? Na, alam nyo, kagabi natakot ako, nila ko yung door. Nila ko yung bedroom namin. Kasi sabi ko, hindi ako makagit over, baka yung matanda. Nandito na sa bahay, wakwak pala yun. Wakwak pala yung matandaan din. Patay. So, ginoo ko. Hindi ko na-film yun. I think, na-film ko ba yun? Hi guys, I am here. Kararating ko lang. I think hopefully tapos na sa amin naligo eh. Ang bango ng ano guys, yung shampoo na Palmolive. Anyway, I'm here. So kailangan ko lang pumasok. Of course, pasok tayo sa loob ng bahay. Sana ano na si Mr. Tapos mainit pala guys. Uy, akala ko okay yung panahon. Yung parang doon sa amin 50 ano halo eh. Baka sa sasakyan lang yung mainit. Pero dito malamig pala. Oh my god, hindi ako makalakad. Para akong nahihilo. Sa layo. No, wala pala akong karki. Nag-travel ako walang karki. Anyway, oy, meron pala akong ano doon. Tika muna. Meron akong dinala guys. Yung turon sa food bites, dinala ko. Uy, ang laptop ko pala. Nakalimutan ko ito, turon. At saka yung laptop ko, guys, dinala ko, guys, kasi gusto kong mag-edit. Nandun pa si Mr. sa ano. I think katatapos lang niya naligo. So, ako naman, mag-open lang ako ng laptop natin. Hindi ko dinala yung charger kasi, ano, bababa na si Mr. The master is coming. The master of everything. I bring my laptop. What's going on? You just finished showering? Huh? Yeah. Okay, sit here. What are you getting? Han, seriously, Han?
I am serious.
Oh, is that the croissant you said? Yeah. That's probably ruined already.
Why would you ruin it already? I got it yesterday.
Yeah, but ruined because it's hot.
It's not hot, huh? It was cold.
Yeah, but inside the car, it's hot though. Anyway, he got me croissant. Like, I never gonna have a freaking bread. Binilhan niya ako ng bread, dalawang Hawaiian. Meron pa ako mga binibili. And then ngayon, may additional pa talaga siya. So, kaya, wag na kayong magtaka guys kung tataba ako, ha? Wag na. Andito na siya. Oh my god, what kind of croissant is that? It's like a wedding
One dozen.
box.
6 of each box.
Oh my god, what do you think of me now, baby? Say hi, say good morning.
Good morning, guys.
What kind of croissant is that, hon? Is that free?
Free. Yeah, okay.
So the Hawaiian bread is forget it.
This was $40 for this.
40 bucks? For $1 bucks?
For 12.
Oh my god, 40 bucks. Seriously.
Well, I ordered a dozen. I didn't know how much they were because they didn't have prices marked.
You're crazy then.
Yeah, well.
You're very crazy. 40 bucks for croissant. Seriously. How is that croissant is fucking gold? What kind of croissant is that?
Try it, you'll like them.
Did you even try it?
I had one when they were giving them away at the vote thing.
It's really big croissant.
Yeah.
It's like a shellfish.
You want my go ahead, you might go ahead for a few seconds.
Smells
You
good.
want coffee with it?
Man, hon, this is crazy, honey.
You want
40
coffee?
bucks.
I know, I won't do it again, huh?
You have your coffee and I will zip.
If I knew it was 40 bucks, I would have turned around and left. But I walked, 8 blocks to find a place and stood online for a half hour. So yeah.
Seriously, that's how you love me? Is that how you prove? That's the only proof that you love me? You stand over there looking for it and you stand on the line for it and then you spend 40 bucks.
Down,
just for me?
Because the guy told me the wrong name of the place. I knew you would really like that because
Okay, let me try it first. Okay, let me try. This is crazy. It's a weird croissant anyway. Huh? It's the same like Costco. Costco is more flakier. I mean, this is flaky, but just like Costco. I'm not joking.
Well, I don't usually eat croissants. I had that one. I was like, wow, this is really good.
So you would love that croissant in the Costco. Wala siyang ka. I plan to bring the dog.
Yeah.
But, if I will bring the dog, that means we spend time so much of letting them out. Han, I like it. And I like Costco thing. But it's like Costco thing, it's better to get a Costco. How much is Costco? 13 bucks?
I have no idea.
13 bucks for how many inside? 12? So 13 bucks plus 26?
Yeah, but each one of these is like 3 at Costco's, or at least 2 at Costco's. These are huge. But when you get home, you need to put them in a plastic bag and put them in a freezer or something. A freezer bag. Not that big bag, because that's not freezer.
Why?
You make sure you put it in a freezer bag.
You don't give me a kiss.
You went right from your camera to the croissant.
Han, you told me to the croissant, Han.
Why on? Something rattling over there. In your glove box?
Nothing.
That's not it, huh? You don't hear that?
Hearing
Check
it.
your
It's,
glove box. Maybe something's bouncing around there.
it's nothing here.
Something's rattling somewhere. Maybe in the door. Oh, maybe the bottle.
I guess upstate, guys, it's very cold, but dito it's warm. So it feels so weird. I'm the only one wearing a coat. At least this coat is not heavy. It's just, look, it's very light, but it's still weird.
It's not. It's in that door. Something in that door.
It's nothing in here. I hear it over here.
No, I'm hearing it from your door.
Yeah, every time I drive, I hear it here. So now that I sit here, I hear it over here.
It's definitely not coming from inside. But whatever you did, it just it stopped something.
I can still hearing it over there.
Yeah, I'm hearing it.
Hon, I hear it over there.
Your ears are wrong. Moved up to the other side.
Hon,
Put your right ear on your left side and your left ear on your right side.
I think it's the thing over there in the side, the one that I put the container over there. Let me see. They're building a new thing again over here.
They've been building this forever.
They've been building here like crazy. And this one is done over here.
I don't know what they're building.
And this building here is getting nicer. This is not like this before. Hello, this is a car dealer up there, oh?
I don't think those cars.
Oh my God, yes. Look. Up there is a car. And the name of it, that like Range Rover. Oh my goodness. Jaguar over there. That means this is expensive.
Land Rover, Jaguar, usually the same dealer.
Yeah, look at that. Okay, what's out your drive? So hopefully, oh my God, it's full.
Yep, we should have come earlier before you thought it was open.
It's full of. This is a weird fitness center. There's a big one. So there is a different kind of. This guy is just gonna keep walking. No.
He's going. Well, he's going where somebody just got out. Where he's going where this guy.
He's going with that guy. So that means it's traffic here, guys. Oh my God.
No, he's not going where that guy is. He's going where the little.
Did you
car
get
just got out.
your check?
My check. Oh.
Yeah, let's go. We don't need to come here. It's just, I just realized these people for just PP pads, forget. We're gonna go look to the bank. It's just busy. Look at this guy. Oh, he doesn't know how to park, and he's gonna hit that freaking DB. La la la. La 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 la.
Now he's gonna go out and wait for the SUV because he feels like he can't.
No, he's going to try. Just go over. Just go. He can do it.
Go back.
The parking lot is full. That means the inside thing is full. So we're just gonna look that it's just busy because I really want to take that money out.
So look, use your phone and find out.
Yeah, and where's my phone?
I don't know.
I feel bad with this woman, guys. She's alone. There's an old lady here, guys. She's walking in the middle. It's understandable. It's just like mom.
She's fine.
Huh?
She's fine. It sucks that she had to park that far away.
Oh my god. Because she worried that somebody will hit her.
No, she probably couldn't get a space closer.
No, she doesn't know where's her car. Watch out, Victor. She's gonna turn her once. She's still looking for her car. Oh, she really is old, hon. She really is old. And this guy too is an old guy. I'm just really sad, guys. It's like we went to Costco. There's a lot of people like crazy. We went to HSBC to look for HSBC bank to get the money back because we're gonna close the account. But we cannot. We went to parking of HSBC. The traffic, a lot of people in the area. There's no parking. I'm just going to edit here. I came here to edit and see my husband doing. How's he been doing? Roxy is sad, honey. You know that.
Yeah.
You're leaving again. Oh my god. She's like her face is just. Her face is turned out like sad. Turned like crazy sad dog. She's very Roxy, guys. You know why we keep mentioning Roxy? Because she have more emotion. She show her emotion a lot. Habang kumakain ako dito, inaakit ko si Mister. Inaakit ko siya kasi po hindi po kami magkikita ng ilang araw. Balik ako dito Wednesday na naman, makikita na naman ninyo ito. Pero inaakit ko to, sabi ko. Here. Can you do the same thing? That means, do you know what I mean?
Why don't you have food that's not sugar?
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. When you have food that's not sugar.
Do you understand?
I understand now. When you have food that's not sugar,
This one.
you got the vegetables with the pork in there.
You still have it?
Or, like I said, you want Chinese, we can get Chinese food. You want the Chinese from the...
This is who it is, guys. Every time na inaakit ko to,
Oh, yeah. You want Chinese...
iba ang income.
You want the Chinese from the shop, right? Where you pick your own stuff?
This is good.
Look at me, because I can get the hero bread for a sandwich.
We can drive over there for that, but I'm not
You
picking
need
up.
real food. That's not
No,
real
this
food.
is good. This is gonna fill me
Sugar
up.
is not real food. You're gonna wind up in really bad shape later. You think because you're so young and don't feel it. Same thing I told you when you used to tell me, oh, this is how Filipinos sit. Now you complain about your legs all the time. Same thing. Watch.
Yeah.
Mhm.
We squat.
Yeah, and now you got pains. Now it's created a problem. But wait to see what this problem creates.
Han, look at me.
Now you've been sitting in the house this whole time with a jacket on.
I'm comfortable here.
Okay.
Where's my water, honey? We're not going to Costco if we're going to ShopRite. Because I don't feel like going to the crowd.
Well, so then we'll go to Costco, and honestly, well, ShopRite don't have a crowd, but Costco, then I can get water there. Because Isabel got a water there, so I'm sure I can get. Well,
She said she got you.
She got me one.
Where is it?
It's in the car, but it's not spring water, it's filtered water. You know me, I like spring water. Basically, it's tap water that ran through a filter.
Guys, my car is making noises, right? So now he's looking. He said, you drive because I want to look what kind of noise is that. So now he's in that side, he's gonna hear it in this side. So now I'm in this side, I can hear it in that side. Okay, let's go. We're going to run.
You got my spring in your car, how come?
Huh?
My spray is in your car. My car spray. That little silver can of car spray.
You put it here.
Oh.
You put it here.
Maybe that's making noise.
Yeah, right. And we cannot hear the noise. ShopRite yung punta namin ngayon, guys. Kasi po, he wants his... Maybe that's one. I really think that's the one.
Get down. I don't hear that noise.
Huh? No, you put it over there? Seriously? No, I don't hear the noise.
How I can hear it on your side when I'm here and this side when I'm over there. It makes sense to me. It's got to be coming from you. So where's it coming from? You can hear it from two different sides of the car.
You said before it's over there. Now it's gonna be in my side. Seriously, honey.
Well, I check everything here. There's nothing in here that should rattle. Okay, unless the back doors.
It's been like that for a week. Fail na naman kami, guys. Nagpunta na naman si Tammy. Walang bread. Bread lang yung pinunta dun para sa sandwich, pero walang bread. And so, aalis ako din ng maaga-aga para din makaalis siya. Makaalis siya para makatulog kasi bukas late pala yung ano niya. Late pala yung trabaho niya bukas. Kasi po, iwan ko, may something daw doon eh. So, let's see. Ang bango. Ang bango-bango. Ipaamoy natin ito kay Mister. Asawa ko naman yun, di ba? Hindi naman yun masama. Honey!
I put the
Smell me, love. I smell so good, look. Smell me, love.
I put the croissants in your car in the back seat.
Tignan nyo to, guys. Right here, go to the trunk. Nagpabili na naman sa kapatid niya yung mga treats. Para lang sa aso at pusa. Look, ang dami. Look, oh. Ito yung pinabili ni Tammy. 5 ganyan. At 4 na turkey. Kaluka talaga. This is so crazy. Can you move that a little bit?
What do you want me to move?
That's it. It will close properly? Okay. Okay, I love you.
Love you, hon. Drive careful.
We'll talk to you later, okay?
Yeah.
You go to sleep na? Say bye-bye to them, love.
I feel like taking an aspirin, but bye, guys.
You have to take, honey.
Better. I need it still tomorrow. I take it tomorrow, but I'm not at work today. At least I can just suffer it here.
And also eat something before you go to bed later, okay? I love you.
Love you too.
I'm sorry, I have to leave early. I really want you to sleep. That's why I see you sleeping. I want you to relax. I love you, baby.
I love you too.
You go ahead now.
I still feel bad. You sure you want to go stop, pick up food,
Hon,
and you drop me back off?
I'm good. I need to cook that vegetables. I miss eating vegetables. I just keep eating meat.
Love you, hon.
I love you.
Drive careful.
Hey, I might bring you food Wednesday.
I got frozen cream spinach in the freezer.
Huh?
I got cream spinach in the freezer.
You like that?
I love cream spinach.
Okay. I love you.
Yeah, so that's not a big problem for me.
And please go upstairs that you can sleep. You can lay down, okay?
Yeah.
Go upstairs and hey, don't forget your laptop charger. You might just go tomorrow without that.
Yeah, I'll put it back in my bag because I will forget it and leave it.
I love you, baby.
Love you too.
I'll talk to you tomorrow. Tomorrow?
Drive
Not
careful,
tomorrow.
hon.
Tonight, baby. I'll talk to you later.
I'll talk to you later.
Go upstairs. Look, honey, look. A crack here. Crack here. And crack over somewhere there. This is a remembrance me and mom get lost.
Love you, hon.
I
I might
love
have to have the window replaced.
Well, insurance, right?
Yeah, this is it. This is the thing, because they need special to do this for the cameras and sensors and stuff. So
And this one too here.
yeah. No, that comes off.
And over there. No, this one, oh, there's crack.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Hala, this I can feel, oh.
You feel it?
I love you.
Love you too. Drive careful.
I want you to go upstairs and lie down.
I'm gonna lie down. My head's fucking pounding.
Okay, now you go na. I'm fine. Good evening. Good evening. Kararating ko lang na long time ago, pero pinakain ko muna sila. Inano ko yung mga dapat kong gawin. So ngayon, dahil gutom na gutom ako kasi whole day ako hindi kumain, nagmamakaawa na yun si Tami sa akin kasi pa siya. Ano sabi pa niya? Sabi pa niya sa akin, guys, please eat. Please eat something. Please. Nagmamakaawa, guys, kasi alam niya hindi ako kumain ng rice kaninang umaga. At alam niya na hindi din ako kumain doon. So ngayon, sabi ko, don't worry. Uy, hi guys, yung first lemongrass natin na hinarvest natin, ito na siya. Malinis po ito, diretso ko na lang siya. First use po natin sa lemongrass na nilagay natin sa freezer na ang dami-dami. Yon, nilagay ko na siya. And ito naman, kamatis. Yun. And kung lauoy ni sa Bisaya, lauoy. And lagyan natin ng Sarangani Bay na galing sa isang Filipino store kay Chingay. And ito, maganda itong sardines na ito, as in gustong gusto ko. Yung Sarangani Bay Premium. Masarap yan. And then lutuin ko lang yan guys, pabayaan lang natin, bukalin. At ito na yung gulay. Hi guys, so yun na yung ano natin guys. Lauoy guys, lauoy. Syrup ng lauoy. So, yan. Ito siya, yung lauoy. Ito yung lauoy na walang dahon, guys. Ano lang siya. Yun lang. Dinalian kasi gutom na si ako. Ito yung inano ko, guys, na gusto kong kainin na 4 days na ba, gulay. Ganitong luto, na simple lang, sabaw. Lagyan ng sardinas, yung sabaw. Para, ano siya, para malasa talaga. Kasi ganito kami, kapag maglauoy, ganitong luto, bulang lang. Sardines yung nilalagay namin. Diba? Ang init. Ginuko. Ang init, guys. Ang itong okra, ituslo sa dipping sauce. Before pala i-end ko tong vlog, before natin i-end, katapos ko lang kumain, nakalimutan ko, kailangan ko pala itong ilagay, itong mahal na croissant ni Tami, $40. So ngayon, ilagay ko lang siya sa freezer. Makagamit tayo ng ano, maraming ziplock. Kasi po, 4 lang yung magkasya. Kaloka. Naluka ako sa asawa ko, guys. Uy, grabe. Hindi ako makapaniwala, guys. Parang almost the price na ito yung shoes ko. Na binili ko. Mag-add ka lang ng ano, 15. Meron ka ng, diba, ganyan ako. Make it complicated. So, yun. Nakalimutan kong tawagan. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching again. And I will see you guys tomorrow. See you tomorrow.